Hello, welcome to this video for the BMW 218D M Sport. So this is a 2016 registered vehicle, 2016. It's just covered 31,000 miles. However, it is a insurance claim category S repaired. So it was a front damage. So a very nice colour, the metallic grey. I think they call it the mineral grey metallic, this one. It's got the grey alloy wheels, the 18-inch twin spokes with the Bridgestone Tires. So from what we can tell, the front bumper was painted. And it may have had a couple of new wings as well. It's got the headlight washer jets, as you can see there. The LED lights and xenon lights. So you can see the paintwork there on the bumper. A little bit of orange peel effect there. Just a telltale sign that that is not factory paint. So that's it. So it's the front bumper. Obviously it's cheaper. It's cheaper than the obviously a normal one because obviously it's been repaired. The paintwork on the wings very good. That looks, in fact, that looks like it's factory paint. That. So does the bonnet. The bonnet looks like it's factory paint. Edge of the wing mirror is nice and clean. So it's got the high gloss black trim there. Because usually that part there is matte black plastic. So it's the high gloss. So is the mirror surround. Well, the window surround there. That's high gloss black as well. It's a Bridgestone Tires all round. I have taken the photos of the tyres on the 100 photos on the Auto Trader advert, so you can see those there. It's got reverse parking sensors, as you can see. It's got the M Sport rear spoiler there, which was an extra. It's £150 extra from new. So it's a 218D. Inside the fuel cap there, that's all nice and clean. The roof's very good condition as well. It's got the privacy glass pack, as you can see. I think that was about £200 extra from new. Just a water run that. That's just yeah, it looks like this wing has been painted. I can tell there, a little bit of buffing marks just there, as you can see. So it's had a front bumper and this front wing. The screen, very clean, no chips, no cracks. Obviously it's got the light and rain sensor there. Edge of that wing mirror is very clean as well. Start from the rear. Okay, let's not start from the rear because it's locked. Let's press the central locking button, which is there. Central locking button, let's go to the boot. Okay, there we have the boot. Split fold rear seats. There's the puller for the split fold, 60-40 split. Boot's very clean. It's got the first aid kit there. Batteries are there. No spare wheels on these because these are the run flat tyres, so they're the Bridgestone run flat tyres. There's a warning triangle there. Okay, so that's the boot. Let's go to the inside. Let's pull this door. Let's look at the inside of this then. So yeah, 2 rear seats and seat belts. As you can see, it's the coral red leather. It's got the child Isofix anchoring points there. A little bit of a tray there to keep your goods. A little bit of tray there as well. So it's got the black roof lining. Very clean, the bike. You can see the carpet. It looks like no one's ever been in here. So it's very clean. Backs of the seats, immaculate. Okay, so the door The door rubbers are nice. There's no scratches, no damage on that door card at all, no wear and tear. It's got the brushed aluminium effect garnish trim. Also has got the upgraded Harmon Kardon hi-fi speaker system. Electric windows and electric mirrors as well. The M Sport stainless steel kick plate. All the door rubbers are in very good condition there, as you can see. No wear and tear on there. No trap seatbelt marks on the door shut there. All the door shuts are nice and clean. Clean foot pedals, as you can see, very clean. All down there. Automatic lights, as you can see there, that's the automatic light. And it's keyless as well, keyless start. It's got the electric bolster adjustment there. The seat height, front and back adjustment. And the seat is in very good condition, 31,000 mile condition. It does not smell of smoke. So it doesn't smell of smoke. It doesn't smell of animals either, so no dogs have been in here. What else have we got here? So the soft leather 3-spoke M Sport steering wheel, the M logo there, with the voice command button there as well. Voice command there. The mileage, as you can see there, 31,462. Stop start button there as well. Indicator stalk, automatic wipers there as well. And then we've also got the what have we got here? Well, we've got a CD player. So there is a CD slot there, you can see. So it's got a CD slot. You've got your traffic info there as well. We've got the what else have we got? The sat nav there as standard. Go to the menu. You've got everything. You've got the vehicle information as well. You've got the vehicle status. So you've got the service requirements there. It is due an engine oil change. We're going to get that done. The vehicle's just arrived with us, so get this video done. So engine oil change. What's it saying now? Oh, that's strange. It's got a date in the future, so it's saying September 2022. 3,100 miles. That's strange. Okay. Front brake pads. 8,000 miles before they're due. Vehicle inspection, which is the MOT, which has just been done, which is good, so that's not due while next year. Brake fluid change, April next year, that's good. A vehicle check, which means the major check to check everything, that's good. 12,000 miles or in September 2024. And then rear brake pads, 23,000 miles left. So yeah, so just the oil change to do. So we'll get that done. We're going to take it to a place called Prior Automotive BMW Service Centre. As you can see, it's got the full service history there. So 8,000, 12,000, 20,000, 21,000, 25,000 was the last day of the service. So that's all there. So it's got the full BMW service history. So it's going to have another BMW service from the BMW specialist called Prior Automotive of Sheffield. Okay, so climate control, air conditioning, should we say. Down here you've got the 12 volt, you've got the drinks holder, 2 keys, that's good news, 2 keys, which is great. Also you've got this Sport and Eco Pro mode, which if we press that button and then we look on the screen, the pictures will come up, say Sport Plus as well, which obviously turns the traction control off to give you more brake horsepower or a higher revving engine, should we say. Comfort mode and the efficiency Eco Pro, which obviously Eco Pro obviously doesn't let you rev as high, and also the stop start will kick in all the time to save fuel. 6-speed manual gearbox, like I said, the brushed aluminium effect garnish all the way down here, the controls here for the menu, the sat nav, the media, the telephone, etc. So it's all there. So if you press that media, it shows you everything there. Radio, DAB of course, DAB radio, and then obviously if we go back to the menu, if we push down into reverse, this comes up and shows you the reverse parking sensor screen. Okay, knock that out. You've got auto dimming rear view mirror, so when someone's headlights shine through there, it will tint itself darker. Up here you've got the standard BMW SOS phone there, so there's a SIM card in this vehicle which obviously tracks where the vehicle is, or BMW can track where the car is, and also in an emergency you can press that and it will dial the BMW help centre there. Okay, so in here you've got the leather gaiter and the leather handbrake, nice soft leather. It's the same leather as the steering wheel, so it's all nice and soft, same as the gear lever there. In here the armrest, pull that up, we've got the USB and aux input ports, all clean in there. Over here we've got the dash with a brushed aluminium. We've got a glove box here. Glove box got a few things in here. Oh, in fact we need to take those out. Some little bits and bobs there. We've got the MOT. As you can see, the MOT there, the mileage is correct. So the MOT just passed on the 6th of the 1st, or 7th of the 1st, sorry. So it's valid till 6th of the 1st, 2023. No advisories, so all the tyres are good. Nothing out of the ordinary at all. No noises on the suspension. So all good. Okay, so where else have we got to go? Let's go that side to show you that door card and door shut. Then we'll pop the bonnet as well, and then we're done. So obviously save the best till last, which is what you're looking at is the front of this vehicle, because it's obviously sustained front damage before. It's had a replacement bumper and front wing. You want to see what is under there. So let's open this door, just check out this door card before we stick those heads under the bonnet. That's all nice and clean. We've had the engine running, so you can hear how smooth it is. At 31,000 miles, you wouldn't expect anything else. So this side's also got the leather bolster control system, meaning when we press this button, these bolsters here will either come apart or come together closer. Don't know if you can see those move ever so slightly. So that's what it does. It's just a bolster control. Obviously the Harmon Kardon speaker system as well. Let's get under this bonnet. Okay. Under here, lovely and clean. So that's the BMW 2-litre twin power turbo engine. It is a single turbocharger. Start this top corner. I can see that this is the wing that's been replaced. Little bits of overspray just there, where someone's not masked it properly. Lacquer overspray on that trim there. Everything seems correct, so that bolt is correct. All the lines shut very well. All the nuts and bolts are there. Let's just check to see if the headlight's loose or anything. Nope, that's all nice and tight, the headlight. Yeah, I can see where someone's painted the lacquer there, and it's just crept onto that rubber. That's the bumper. The bumper's been painted. This wing looks original. As you can see, there's no overspray here at all on that trim. So this wing is an original wing. So it's just the bonnet, the bumper, and the wing there. You can see everything else here looks correct. And then the bonnet looks nice and original, it's original colour. You even looked into these little holes underneath here, and it looks to be correct as well. The stickers are all original stickers. This headlight, yeah, that headlight's nice and tight, so everything's fitted properly, nothing's loose. Yeah, just a few telltale signs. But like I say, it is a category S vehicle, so damage repaired. Let's just sit here and look at the shut lines. As you can see, there's nothing really noticeable at all. Everything looks straight and symmetrical. The shut lines down this wing, that's nice. Maybe a little tight there compared to up here. It gets a little bit wider, so maybe a bit on there, because that's that wing. But this side's perfect, this one's perfect, this one's all symmetrical all the way down. That shut line's good. And from the side, that fitment's good there. Check out the gaps for the wings here, look. That gap is perfect because this wing is original. This one obviously has been replaced. Look at the shut lines. Actually, that's not bad, that at all. That's not bad. And there's nothing there. That's nice and level there as well. There's nothing. Yeah, so it's a good quality job. Good quality job, and it looks the same colour. Everything looks the same colour. There's no different shades. The bumper and the bonnet and the wings don't look out of shade. So if you are interested in this vehicle and you have a part exchange, please let us know the reg number of your vehicle and the mileage. We'll get back to you with a price. Also, if you require finance, we can get finance on these vehicles. There are a couple of lenders that will lend against the Category S and the Category N vehicles. So please get in touch, see what we can do, and hopefully we will see you soon. Thank you for watching.